Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got more Christmas music. We're going to be using this book here, Holiday Classics by Piano Pronto, available at pianopronto.com. Now you do not need this book. You can learn the pieces just by watching me play, and I will show you how to play them. But if you are a collector of books and you enjoy reading sheet music, this book is amazing. It has 3 versions for each tune. The first one, you just play the melody notes, and so it's very simple and easy to play. The second version, you add a few more harmony notes, and the third version adds the most harmony notes of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a 4th version where I will play all of the melody notes, the notes with the words, all of those with the right hand, and we'll be putting chords underneath with the left hand. Let's take a look. All right, Hark the Herald, Angels Sing. We'll go through the right hand melody first and then come back to look at the chords. So we're going to start, even though it's written here in middle C, we're going to move everything up an octave to make room for your left hand chords. You're going to start with your thumb on G, and immediately you're going to stretch your third finger up to C, and then you'll stay in this home bass for a little bit. So G, C, C, B, C, E. Now when we get to the second E, we're going to switch to the third finger on E. D, G, 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 F, E, D, E. Then go back, stretch up, again bounce. Then we're going to stretch our thumb and then bounce again on that second B. So let me show you that one more time. So we started in this position, stretch our thumb to the B, and then on the second B, you hop over to the 3. Okay, all the way from the top again. Next we're on to Joyful All Ye Nations. So we're going to stretch all the way up to pinky on G, and then this will be our home bass. G, C, F, E, E, D, G, 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 C, F, E, E, D. Then the next page, we're going to stretch our pinky just a little bit onto the A. So we're in this 5-finger position right now, but not for long. You stretch back to C, then stretch back up to A, then stretch down, and then repeat it one more time, stretching up, stretch down. So it's nice there's a lot of repetition built into this song. It makes it a little bit easier. So this song is in the key of C. We're going to look at the chords now. So we're going to start off with the C chord. And as always, if you've only learned the chord shell, you're welcome to play that without the middle note. Sometimes it even sounds nicer. So we've got a C chord, an F chord, and a G chord. Those are our 3 basic choices. We are also going to have a G chord in a home bass position. And that is because we're going to go out of the key of C briefly, and we're going to hit this D chord. And then we have one other chord. The rest of the time we're back in the key of C. We are also going to hit a D minor chord. And then that is all. Those are all our choices. So your basic primary chords, C, F, and G, with 1 minor, D minor, and then going briefly into a G home bass. So let's see what that looks like all together. That was a pretty quick jump. We were over here on C. Let's see. And then jumping up to a G home bass. And now you do have options. We are doing a lot of fast switching of chords there. You could take out those middle Gs if they're a little bit too hard, and you could play it like this. I'm starting from the beginning. So it's a little plainer, but it's also easier to play if you're just getting started out. So anytime we have really fast switching chords, you could usually leave out the middle one because the melody is going by so fast. All right, I'm going to jump ahead to Joyful All Ye Nations Rise with the C chord again. Then an F and a G, C, F, G, F. Here comes our D minor. G, C, C, G, C, F, D minor, G, C, and then one more time. G, C. There we go. The more of these that you play, the more you should be getting used to the C, F, and G. You could try out another of my tutorials that's a little bit more clear on those primary chords if you're still new to them. And remember, you can always switch and just play the home, up, and down shape for the C, F, and G if you have not learned the middle notes yet. I hope you have fun with it. See you in your next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.